Alright, so what's up, YouTube? It's gonna be a little bit of a different video. I know you're like, what the fuck? This dude's actually has a face and he's looking at me. Yeah, I'm sorry. Basically, today's gonna be a little bit of a different video. Me and my brother have been going out to the range a lot more, training, shooting, and doing a lot more gun shit. And so I said, fuck it, why not bring you guys along? Because it's kind of a little bit more of a special day. We're actually taking my aunt out to go shooting with us for the first time ever. Her name is Spring. And she's kind of like my second mom. So she kind of helped raise me. So there's a lot of memories I have with her. So we're going to go take her out shooting. I'm not too sure us growing up country. I'm pretty sure her growing up country as hell. Pretty sure she shot a gun before. If not, we're going to find out. My mom shot way back in the day. Back when she was a kid. And then we took her shooting last time, and she actually was a pretty good shot, sadly enough. Better shot than my brother with his XD. Don't tell him I said that. But, yeah. So I figured I actually vlogged this time. I told everyone, fuck it, next time I'm gonna vlog. Fuck it, I'll do it. So, I'm gonna vlog it. We're gonna go out to the range. We're gonna go run some drills, send some lead down range, or copper, or whatever you want to call it. But we're gonna go have some fun. We're gonna go shoot family, and then shoot with the family, not shoot the family. We're gonna go shoot with the family and have a good time, and I'll just bring you guys along. So again, till next time. So happy Memorial Day. Say what's up, Jimmy.
What's going on? Vlogging.
I am vlogging. And then here's this motherfucker. Say hi. He's camera shy. Come on. Come on. Oh, there he is. Mom. Happy Memorial Day. And Raymond. Most enthusiasm we got out of the whole entire time. We're here at the range. We're gonna have fun. Oh, that's what she got you?
Yeah.
Look, he's got the actual brass catch now.
Yeah, I just don't know for sure if it's set up right, but
As long as it's over, as long as it's covering it, you should be good.
yep. So we'll find out right now.
This guy, Gucci as a motherfucker over here. What?
It's heavy.
Oh, I know, it's different with plates in it. So check this out. So I've had plates in mine for a while now. He finally got his. But he spent a little bit extra more. He got the Kevlar line. Lucky motherfucker. Say hi, Spring. This is her first time out shooting in a long ass time, so we're gonna see how she does. How do you think? How confident are you?
I'm pretty confident.
Yeah?
Why wouldn't I be? I'm me.
Spoken like a true gangster. Yours is very fucking loud, dude. Your muzzle brake kicks out so much fucking gas.
Okay.
His is a little bit different.
Yeah.
Shorten the stock up,
Okay.
yeah.
And then you can put it up closer to your face because I shortened the stock if you want to.
So that should be a lot better now.
And then wherever the red dot's at, that's where it's gonna shoot. And all you gotta do is just pull the trigger and you're ready to go.
Keep going.
Keep on going.
Yep, keep going. You got 9 more to go.
You're hitting the target, I can see that. You're getting closer to the center now.
Not too bad, right?
Mine's way better than his gun.
Mine kicks a lot more. Damn, you almost stacked that one.
Yeah, they're right on top of each other.
I think you got like 1 or 2 more left.
You're being precise and calm.
Yeah. Noel's not precise. He likes fucking.
Yeah, I like mag.
And I think. Go ahead and try shoot one more. I think you might be empty.
I think you should have
tell what the fucking mag with that thing on. Oh,
I had one more. I always treat it like it's loaded.
Yeah.
you want to go look at the target?
Yep.
He came running up. My turn. Hit it. Like so. Perfect. That actually was beautiful. The way she's gripping it. Now you get to understand how much you can have.
Oh, you're using me.
Nice and snug.
That makes a bigger hole, right?
Yeah, big ass hole.
Real big hole.
I don't know what I did.
So far.
Take over now. Yep, and once it's out, it'll lock back. Like that, right there. And now you're out. See? And now you can hand it to Noah. And
You ready?
Jesus. Oh, God.
Just hold it good and it's great.
grab it however is comfortable for you.
Yeah, because my thumb, I don't like shooting.
You're good. You shot good last time. See, almost sent it right there. You're ready. First shot. That one.
Noah talking shit, not me.
I love my gun. I wish I could have a red dot on it. I don't know where the fuck that one went either.
I don't know. High.
Aim low. His
Yeah, my
shit.
gun shoots high.
Aim low.
I think you're shooting the one a little bit too.
Slow squeeze on the trigger.
She's anticipating.
I don't trust myself holding it with my thumb. I'll be honest with you.
Take your finger off the trigger.
Stop.
I got trigger finger. You guys
Here,
are
let me
still
dump, let me
my
dump, let me
finger
dump, let me
long.
dump.
I don't
Alright.
like holding it.
I'll just shoot one.
I
Got
don't like with my thumb. I can't trust it.
Oh, where the fuck that go? Sorry, I had to.
He said after that one, I don't know what happened.
What happened, Mr. Fast Reload?
Because why not? And what's up, YouTube? Back from the range. Had an amazing time with the family. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. You know, it was kind of just whatever, like kind of a vlog. We just record everyone shoot, show our guns and all that kind of shit. Didn't even go into detail about everything, but it was fun. Had a good time with my family. Happy Memorial Day weekend. And again, shout out to my Aunt Spring for coming out and shooting with us. Because again, she hasn't been shooting in a long time, so it was nice. Again, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, the like button, all that fun stuff. Whatever you guys want to do. You can follow me on all the social medias at Zicram, like that right there in the back. And until next time, peace.